Hello and welcome to Nikolay's Biostatistics lessons, and today's problem is shade in the set A union complement C intersection with B. First, let's solve this part. So let's show A, circle A. Let's fill it with a color. So here's the circle A. Now let's show complement C. So complement C is going to be everything outside circle C. Now let's show what is going to be union of these two sets. And union would look as follows. So everything you see here which is yellow plus these two sectors shown here with blue. This is going to be union of these two sets. Complement C and A. Now let's show intersection with B. So let me show you circle B here. And what is going to be intersection? Intersection is going to be following sectors. This is going to be the first one, the second, and the third. And if we will have random numbers here, for example, 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, our set is going to include following numbers 3, 4, and 6. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.